Hello everyone, and today I am cooking a salmon. So I decided to cook some unusual way, and I'm making the salmon cupcakes. For this recipe you would need about 450 grams of salmon, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 150 grams of shredded cheese, half a cup of thickened cream, 1 large garlic clove, and 2 eggs. So let's start cooking. First I'll cut my salmon to smaller pieces and place in a food processor along with the garlic. The salmon mince is ready, so it shouldn't be really smooth. It's alright to have some pieces. So that's exactly the consistency I'm after. I transfer salmon to a large bowl. Add 2 eggs. And give a good mix. Season with salt and pepper. Now it's time to add my breadcrumbs. Cream. And cheese. Mix all ingredients really well. Salmon cupcake mix is ready. Now I will place my salmon mix in a cupcake form. And they are ready to go into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So cupcakes are ready. So now we let them cool for a little bit, and meanwhile we will create the cream to decorate the cupcakes. For the cream we would need some soft butter, cottage cheese, and any greens you have. I've got a shallot, but you can use parsley or dill, would be perfect with for salmon cupcakes. We need to beat our butter so it will be white and light. That's our butter. So now I add 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese and beat it all together again. Add your greens. And mix together. And our cream is ready. So now I'll need to transfer cream to a piping bag, and I'll be using this piping tip to decorate our salmon cupcakes. You can also remove the cupcake paper before you piping a cream, how I did for this cupcake. And now it's time to try. It looks amazing.